Hi, everybody. This is Brenda Meller. I'm so excited because I've been asked to join ProSeller Talk with the webinar next week. And what I'm going to be talking about is what you see here on the screen, unlocking the power of LinkedIn. I'm going to share some tips with you that are going to help you increase network engagement and build strategic connections. If you attend the session, the things that you're going to learn include the right and wrong way to send and respond to invitations. I've got some great techniques there that are going to help you to build up some dialogue with those connections. And I'm also going to talk about the new LinkedIn profile view and how it impacts you. I'll give you some techniques and some tips that you can actually follow along with or do as some homework to make sure that your profile remains optimized with the new LinkedIn navigation. And finally, I'm going to talk about how and why you should focus on building social media karma with your connections using your LinkedIn homepage feed. Again, this is Brenda Meller. I am so excited about pulling together this content and sharing it with you, and I can't wait to join the session. Look forward to seeing you then. Thanks. And in the meantime, let's do connect on LinkedIn. Thank you.